everyone, welcome back to AeroHub. And in this video, I am going to make a huge announcement. You can see, be part of a family. Yes, AeroHub is our family. And I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. And I started this channel in the last year, April, and I uploaded the first video in April 28th of 2020. And it was a wonderful journey, and I would like to thank each and every one of you who have supported me throughout this stage. And it's been an honor to get lot of comments from you people regarding my teaching process and regarding doubts what you have asked, and it also made me to think a lot about my perception about the subject also. So thanks a lot. And in this video I will discuss about what I can further offer through this channel for student community as well as professional community of the aerospace industry in India. And this will be like a collaboration with lot of industrial people. And I would also suggest you to share this video to someone who is really in need in job and who is really struggling in academics. So let's proceed to the slides. So our main aim of this channel is to provide a quality education in aerospace field. As you are aware that I am not questioning the quality of faculties throughout aerospace colleges in India. There are really good faculties, and like a both side of coin, there are worst faculties also. And also through this online education, the quality of engineers, I feel it is degrading also. So I am just imparting whatever I know. Like whatever I know, I am putting as a video, and I am just talking to you. And I also want to, my channel also want to play a key role in educating people regarding aeronautics. There is a perception that there are no jobs in aeronautics, but it does not like that. I also want to educate people regarding aerospace science like rocketry, satellite technology and aircraft technology. And also we are putting videos regarding job opportunities for aeronautical job aspirant. Okay. And these are the few accomplishments. We are the only channel that is uploaded the video content, exclusive content for aircraft structures too. And it is one of the toughest subject in aeronautical engineering curriculum. And we are one among the YouTube, we are one of the channel which are accepted in YouTube partnership program from India, especially in the field of aeronautics. There are only few channels from India which are focusing upon aerospace education. We are one among them, and I'm really proud that these all things are happened to my channel because of you. So because of your support, this channel has grown a bit. I'm not saying it's a huge channel. I want to make it a really good channel, really huge channel, so it can be reach to each and every students who are pursuing their aerospace education. And we are the only channel from India in aeronautical education which allows its subscribers to be a part of the channel. Okay, so that I am going to discuss after a time. And we have multiple, those who are viewing this video for the first time, we have multiple playlists regarding GATE Aerospace, exams regarding ISRO, especially the scientist post, then spacecraft structures that is recently launched, fundamentals of aeronautics, rockets and missile, flight mechanics, aero jobs, and general aviation topics. These are the main playlist we are having, and we have uploaded nearly 165 video in YouTube. One of the important thing we have done as part of improving the quality of education in aerospace field in India is Aerospace Design Challenge 2021 that took place in the month of January to March. So nearly 60 teams from all over colleges of India have participated in this event. Nearly 120 students have registered in this event. Okay, so there were students from colleges like RV College of Engineering, Bangalore, Jain University, LPU University, MIT University Pune, then KIIT Odisha, KCT Coimbatore. These are renowned colleges in aeronautical in India. And this competition was in collaboration with Space Development Nexus and Dautia Aerospace Private Limited. And the team from KIIT Odisha, team of Soumya Datta and Anvesha Das, won the first prize in the competition. And this is the important part of the video, why you should be a member of our channel. There are 3 plans. First one is called career plan. So when you are opening my channel, you can see something called a join button. Okay, you can see here, you click on that, you can see the 3 criteria. One is career guidance, second one is subject expertise and doubt clearance, third case is the certification courses. So we are offering these 3 services, and these are really cheap. I'm not saying it is free, these are really cheap. Okay, so because we are getting the inputs from industrial expert, as well as those who got retired from premier organizations. So we have also some expenses. So I would so you have to spend a small amount in that. Okay, it's not really a huge money, it's really cheap comparing to the other platform. They're charging too much. So first case is career guidance, and second plan is subject expertise and doubt clearance, and third one is important, that is certification courses. So we are launching certification courses on space science, theory of flight, aero elasticity, airframe structural design, CATIA V5, ANSYS structural and CFD, AutoCAD, and ANSYS composite optimization. So these are the 8 courses we are launching soon, and we will be providing you a Google form, and that will be shared in the community tab of our YouTube channel, as well as it will be shared in the social medias like Facebook and WhatsApp. Okay, so please kindly use this opportunity and be a part of our family. And I would like to thank everyone who supported this channel up to now, and I wish you all the best in your career and academics. Thank you for listening. Take care.